All right. So I don't normally do unboxing. Well, you know what? I find microphone unboxings to be pretty boring now. I mean, really, all you get is a microphone, a clip, maybe you get a shock mount. And that's if you're lucky. And honestly, nothing really in most boxes to wow you. Now, I've worked with a lot of higher end mics, but I've never done the unboxing for them. You mount the mic and you go with it. This one, though, this is the ISOMIC. And I got to say, the experience, quite a bit different. When I opened this up, I was like, oh, I need to show somebody that. And my wife is really not impressed by microphone unboxings. Who knew? So I figured, let's share it with you. So let's open this up here. Oh, excellent. Okay, so let's just open this and reveal all of the goodies. Look how beautiful that looks. Just absolutely amazing. Of course, let's go around. We'll go to the mic last. But this is the pop filter that comes with the microphone. Everything's machined aluminum, and you can tell like everything is super light in here, and everything looks super nice. This is the cloud. So this is the shock mount for the microphone. Very, very nice. Once again, machined aluminum. This looks like it weighs 2 pounds. It does not. And then, of course, the other clip for the microphone to secure it to the ISOVox. And then a certificate of authenticity. I'm part of the ISOVox clan. This is kind of cool. Welcome to the ISOMIC family. We're honored to be a part of your journey. To make sure that your new recordings sound amazing, we've prepared a free ISOPOP refill. That's nice. ISOMIC VO sound mixing tips, setup guides, priority support, get access here. Very cool. It's like a little plaque. I can put this up in my studio. I can literally put this anywhere in my studio and just like, I'm part of the ISOVox family. Very cool. Of course, yes, I do have an ISOVox too. I'm not doing any of the actual specs on this thing for now. I'm going to save that for the main video when we do the ISOVox and ISOMIC together. Get subscribed if you're not already, because it's going to be cool. And this is the ISOMIC, made in Sweden. Absolutely beautiful. They have a triangular capsule on this. Really looking forward to trying this out. They have a lot of specs on this thing that kind of make an eyebrow go up. Huh. And this is a very expensive microphone. So we'll be finding out if it's worth it later on in that video. So once again, get subscribed if you're not already. This thing is ridiculously light. Like it feels like it's less than an SM58. I'd have to actually get the specs for the weight, but once again, we're not doing specs in this video. We're just admiring the unboxing experience if you're one to go and buy an ISOMIC. Very nice. I'm really excited for this video. I have all the stuff. You probably saw the teaser that I posted on the YouTube channel as well as on Twitter. Very, very cool. Very nice experience unboxing so far. Now, we'll be doing that video coming up. Give me a couple weeks with the ISOVox, okay? Let me really kind of get my bearings with it and to work out whether or not this, work out all the details on this video. I don't want to miss anything with it. So, ISOVox, and this is the ISOMIC, a really cool unboxing experience if you ever decide you want to spend the shillings on it. Thanks for watching. Just a quick little midweek unboxing of a really cool microphone and something to look forward to. So cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.